Hello, everyone. My name is Steven Cepeda from the group Solution Seeker for course FSE 100. In this presentation, I will demonstrate an Arduino-based grooming robot designed just for cats. The primary controller for this robot is this Arduino board here, and it connects to two sensors, two actuators, using the switch L29 3D and a small breadboard. Looking at the first component, first sensor, got the ultrasonic distance sensor, and this sensor is used for detecting the cat within a 1 meter range. And this sensor ensures that the robot only activates when the cat is within 1 meter, and it will deactivate otherwise. Next is the DC motor, and it spins the brush mechanism itself at 10 RPM. Here's the servo motor, and it adjusts the angle of the brush based on the feedback from this force sensor. And this force sensor measures the pressure exerted and ensures the brush applies just the right amount of force. And I've deemed that right amount of force about 4 to 6 newtons. And this amount of force avoids any discomfort to the cat while giving most efficient force required to groom the cat's fur. Jumping right into the code itself, pin locations here, constants here. I have defaulted the servo angle to 90 upright, simple setup, and the core loop. And please pause the video if you want to take a deeper look into the code. Methods right here. And jumping into the live demo, spring up that serial monitor and start the simulation. Let's bring that cat into the view of that ultrasonic distance sensor under 1 meter, so 66 centimeter will do. And let's say the angle of the brush was exerting just amount of force onto the cat, so between 4 to 6 newtons. The angle maintains its angle. The servo motor maintains its angle. And if at any point the cat pulls away from the brush mechanism, so the pressure gets lowered, let's say it gets lowered to 3, the brush mechanism will try to rotate towards the cat so that it can exert more pressure onto the cat's fur, which would bring it back up to the sweet spot. And opposite is true as well. If the cat uh, exerts too much pressure over 6 newtons, the brush will try to rotate away from the cat so that it can dynamically adjust its angle to get back to that 4 to 6 range where it would maintain its angle. And if at any point the cat or something exerts too much pressure to the force sensor, let's say 10 newtons, the emergency shutdown procedure will ensue. Brush will stop spinning and the servo motor will default back to 90. And this is when the user needs to come into the picture, pull the cat away from the detection range, and press that reset button. System reset starting back in 5 seconds. And let's test that out again. Bring that cat back into the view, motor spins, and the whole procedure begins again, and the features back up online. And this is it for my cat grooming robot demo. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.